Association rule is a data mining concept. This rule is applicable to the retail store transactions. Do you want to know how the association rule will be helpful in decision making process? Shall we proceed? Shall we check the association rule is true or not? A represents B is the association rule here. For the item A, we have bread, and for the item B, we have the butter. So the chances of buying the butter depends on bread. The people who bought bread also bought butter. That is the meaning. So we go to the transaction and find out whether this rule is correct or not. Shall we proceed? Here we see example data set. There are totally 10 transactions. In the 10 transaction, only 4 transaction has the items bread and butter. First one is the support. Support is given by the formula transactions with bread and butter divided by total transactions. The transactions with bread and butter is 4. The out of total transaction is 10. So the value is now 0.4. The support value is 0.4. Next is confidence. Confidence is given by the support of A intersection B divided by support of A. We already calculated the support of A intersection B, and now we have to find out the value of support of A. So the values are given below. Transactions with bread is 7. The transaction with bread and butter is 4. That is the numerator value, bread and butter is 4. Then the denominator value, the support of A is given by the value 7. So the confidence value is 4 divided by 7, which is equal to 0.57. This is the final result. Lift is the third parameter. Lift is calculated as the following formula. It's given as lift of A represents B is given as confidence of A represents B divided by support of B. So we already know the confidence of A represents B and support of B is only A to be calculated. So using these values, we find out the value of lift of A represents B, which gives the 0.95. By applying all the values, we receive the value 0.95. So we received. Based on the value of the lift, we determine whether the rule is valid or not. We frame the rule A represents B, that the bread represents butter. That means the people who bought bread also bought butter. That is the conclusion we got. Whether this rule is valid or not, now we are going to check. We received the value 0.95, that is less than 1. That means that is negative association is given here. So that means the chances are very less. The people who bought the bread doesn't bought the value of butter. That is the conclusion we draw. So there is no relation between these two items. The shop owners makes the decision that this is no way related. So we only keep buying that is bread only. Lift has 3 predetermined values. Lift equal to 1 means there is no relationship exists between A and B. Lift value is greater than 1 means that there is a positive relationship association exists between A and B. If the value is less than 1, it means that there is no negative relation association exists between the A and B. That is the conclusion we draw. Now the shopkeeper comes to the conclusion that they can buy only the bread, not the butter. These items are not related with each other. So this is how the Apriori algorithm is helpful in making decision for purchasing of items in the store. Step-by-step explanation and the coding implementation in RStudio is given as a separate video in my YouTube channel. If you want, you follow that link. Is given in the description.